Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now this is our trend on Euro JPY. We all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either we are trending to the upside, we are trending downward, or market is likely ranging, right? Take a look at this movement here, which is a trend to the upside. Market is giving us a trending movement upward. So we are seeing a series of higher high and higher low. Now, this is how Euro JPY is literally moving. This is our impulsive move. Within this impulsive move, you will see a series of higher high, higher low when you go to your forward time frame. Then we had the corrective wave. Then here comes this within this corrective move. There is a series of lower low and a lower high. Then here comes the impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. Then here comes the corrective move on Euro JPY. Then this is our impulsive move, a series of higher high and higher low. When you go to your forward time frame, it is very much visible. Then we add the corrective move, series of lower low and a lower high. Then here comes the impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. Here comes the corrective move. Then here is the impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. Here is the impulsive move, corrective, which is a series of lower low and lower high. Basically, this movement is very much visible on your forward time frame. All you just have to do is go to your forward time frame to see it very well. Now, this is our impulsive move, which took out this previous high, and here is our corrective wave. So with this movement now, our corrective wave is now over. We will be expecting a new impulsive move that we should to take out this previous high. So thereby, we should be expecting a bullish move this week on our Euro JPY. So this is for swing traders and position traders. You can now start hopping in on the buy on Euro JPY. So this is it here. Multiple rejection here on Euro JPY. Then we have this high. We have this pullback, which is our higher low. We've gotten this higher high. The higher low is currently playing, which is our pullback. Once your pullback is over, you get your buy set up, hoping for the buy again on Euro JPY. So above all, we should be expecting that buy this week. So without such a movement, we should be expecting about 160 pips. You can see it right from this our current movement to this previous high. You'll be grabbing about 160 pips, possibly to a level of 200 pips. There's a potential 200 pips movement for the week on Euro JPY. So hop in on the buy and stay updated. Just subscribe to stay updated. I'll give you guys more updates.